The vision to make India a developed nation by 2047 has struck the right chords with the youth of the nation and with academicians and students coming all out, extending their support and cooperation to achieve the target set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the launch of Viksit Bharat at 2047 Voice of Youth.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi had on Monday launched the Viksit Bharat 2047 Voice of Youth and also addressed the Vice-Chancellors and heads of other higher education institutes, including students across the nation virtually. To get a feel of the pulse of the people, DD News Meghalaya caught up with a few faculties and students to get the views on how a developed India should look like in 2047 and how they can contribute towards achieving this vision. Here is what they said.
This Viksit Bharat in 2023, it is mainly aims about developed India, and it is inspiring many youths to become like a social tool for us in the in the social global world, which is in like the digitized India. And
meanwhile, the message of the Prime Minister to make India a developed country is seeping down to the grassroots. Proper implementation of government schemes and cooperation from all sectors are the few of the many things which is required to achieve it, opine few of the villagers hailing from the West Khasi Hills. The fire to be a developed nation by 2024 is lit by the Prime Minister, and now it remains to be seen how well the citizens fan the fire and turn it into an inferno.
I think developed India would be a country, or Viksit Bharat would be a country where everybody is treated equally, and I would put more focus on environment, because I see when it comes to the environment, there's a lot of degradation that's happening. I hope that Viksit Bharat really takes care of this beautiful environment and the beautiful biodiversity that India as a subcontinent has been blessed with.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
The State Congress is yet to decide on the candidate for